So today again we are going to solve one numerical, and we'll solve this numerical based on the which principle? Energy method. Now first of all we will understand what is given in the problem and what is the numerical is. This is a link having a mass m1 attached to it, spring of stiffness k1 which is attached to it. We have a spring stiffness k3 at a distance of b, mass m2 at a distance of c, spring k2 at a distance of c. Now this is the numerical. Just focus on the diagram and we have to solve by using the energy method. So what are the energies present in the system? First you will see that this is a mass and mass. This both the mass will possess what? Kinetic energy. So we are having kinetic energy of mass m1 plus kinetic energy of mass m2. Fine. And again what we are having? We are having the kinetic energy of the link. This link will what? Rotate about an angle theta. So we have kinetic energy of the link. This is the kinetic energy. Now we have to find out what are the potential energy available in the system. We have 3 spring, so we have 3 potential energy. So potential energy of spring 1 plus potential energy of spring 2 plus potential energy of spring 3 equals to constant. Now this is the total statement of the energy method. Total energy is remain constant. Sum of kinetic plus sum of potential equals to constant. Now what is kinetic energy of mass m1? Let the displacement is x for the mass m. So whatever displacement will be of mass m, same will be for the spring k1 and same will be for this kind of link. Because जितना ये link नीचे आएगा उतना ही ये mass नीचे जाएगा और spring compress होगा. So we can say that suppose ये आपका ये यहाँ पे ऐसा figure है. Now if this rotates like this is the next condition. This is the x and it is rotated by angle theta. What is the length? C. So you will get x equals to c theta. Fine. Similarly for this mass, initial position was this, final position was this. This is the deflection. Let us see y. For the mass, it will become y equals to what? Distance is what? C theta. Sorry, it is a theta. Fine. So we are getting x equals to c theta for this mass, and for this mass let it be y. So we are getting y equals to a theta. Fine. So here we will write down half m x dot square plus half, sorry, it is m1, it is m2 y dot square plus kinetic energy of link half I theta dot square, because it is possessing what? Rotary motion. For the spring it will be half k1 x square plus for spring 2 half k2 y square, and for spring k3 half k3. Let us assume the spring is having deflection. Here there is a spring. Let the deflection of spring is z. K3 z square equals to constant. Now what is the value of z? This much distance is the what? B. So what z is? Z will become z equals to b sin theta. So z equals to b theta. Fine. Now we will substitute the values. What we will get? Half m1 x equals to what? R sin, sorry, c theta, c square theta dot square plus half m2 a square theta dot square plus half I theta dot square plus half k1 x equals to what again? Theta, c square theta square plus half k2 a square theta square plus half k3 z means b square and theta square equals to constant. Now all the term is in a one generalized coordinates, that is of theta. Now next step is what? We have to differentiate this equation with respect to time. So after differentiating, what we are getting? Half m1 c square 2 theta dot theta double dot. Fine. Here we will cancel 2 2 plus half m2 a square 2 theta dot theta double dot, again 2 2 will get cancelled out, plus half I theta 2 theta dot theta double dot 2 2 get cancelled out, plus half k1 c square 2 theta theta dot plus half k2 2 theta theta dot a square 2 2 2 to get cancelled out, plus half k3 b square 2 theta theta dot equals to 0. Again 2 will get cancelled out. Now theta dot term, theta dot term, theta dot, theta dot, theta dot, theta dot, we will take it out common and we will make it 0. Now what is pending? We will write it down. Now we will combine all the terms of theta dot and the combine all the terms of theta. So you get m1 c square plus m2 a square plus I theta double dot plus k1 c square plus k2 a square plus k3 b square theta equals to 0. Now we will bring this term in the downward direction. So theta double dot will become k1 c square plus k2 a square plus k3 b square upon I plus m1 c square plus m2 a square, bracket complete, theta equals to 0. So now the term under the bracket is nothing but the value of the natural frequency. So the value of natural frequency is what? If you compare with the equation theta double dot plus omega n square theta equal to 0, you get omega nf radian per second. Hertz. Hope the numerical is clear to you. This is a little bit lengthy numerical. So till then, thank you.